Then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Y'all are gonna get ready with me today. I am just getting myself together because y'all see this. We need a little bit of help, because I'm still beautiful. I took out my mini twist and this is the outcome. My hair has been like this for a few days now and I still don't have any urge, any want to wash my hair and do a wash day. I am just like getting over being kind of sick. Yeah, I haven't been feeling that great. We're getting past it, okay? We're getting past it. So I'm about to pop on a wig, get myself together, put on some new clothes. I have a new unit that I'm popping on from QVR today. She is right here, nice and red for the holidays, for fall, for winter, give you some color. I do love popping on a little bit of color every now and then. Let me go ahead and give you guys up close and personal look of this and a few details. Since y'all are getting ready with me today, I'm gonna do my hair first and then I'm gonna show you guys my favorite foundation at this moment, and then I'll show you my outfit, what we are rocking today. All right, you guys, let's get to it. I am just gonna pop on my wig cap, add a little bit of powder foundation to it, and I'm using my bedhead hairspray to lay it down to melt this lace. I would say this unit is big head friendly. It kind of didn't reach the my sideburns, only because my hair is not super flat. If my hair was braided down, cornrowed up, I don't think I would have had any issues with as far as it not fitting properly. That's why I'm just gonna go ahead and call it and say it's big head friendly. Next, y'all, I'm just going to add a little bit of my wax stick, and y'all know I am pairing that with my hot comb to get a nice flat part. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my little baby hairs, do some simple swoops on the side, nothing too crazy. I wanted to keep this look as clean as possible. And also, you guys, the red is not as bright as it looks in this video, in my opinion. I feel like this color always changes on me and it looks different depending on the kind of light that you're in. So whenever I'm in natural light, it looks a little bit darker, but here I do have a light on my camera to brighten up the space. So just wanted to put that out there. Just doing my edges real quick. Something I never do is use my little curling iron on my edges, but I've been wanting to go back to this method because I see everybody doing it. I used to, I did it a couple times and was not that impressed, but I really wanted these edges to be more on the wispy side. So I'm just laying them down. I'm going to tie them up and then blow dry them, and then we'll get into makeup. All right, you guys, so for makeup, this is what I have been doing lately and been loving the outcome. So I am on the NARS Soft Matte Foundation train. Y'all, it's so beautiful. I've been using it nonstop. I actually have two shades. The one at the top was 𝐂𝐃𝐄, and then the one at the bottom, which was the darker one, was 𝐂𝐃𝐃. I'm using my Instapop Real Techniques brush that I've used for forever. I've had it forever, and just, getting that all up in my skin. It's looking really good. I have oily skin, you guys, too, super oily, and this gives me a really, what it says. It's not super Huda Beauty super matte. It's a really good in between. And then next, I just use a little bit of my Hourglass concealer in 2 different shades. And then for powder, I'm using my little puff thing that I got off of Amazon with my Patrick Star, the one size powder. I love this stuff. And then next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. This is Savage by NARS, a beautiful blush, especially for my brown skin girls. And then, y'all, I don't know, I stopped using highlighter in 2017, y'all, but I just picked up this Rare Beauty highlighter, and clearly I added a little bit too much to my cheeks. I was like, you know what, let me switch it up because it's been years since I've used it. And y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but I did add a small amount of eyeshadow and of course did my brows off camera and just contouring my nose at this point with a little highlighter in my tear ducts, and then use some chapstick in my lip liner. And that was it for this makeup look, y'all. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, and I think I executed that very well. Didn't feel like going over the top. Next, y'all, I'm going to use one of my favorite tools at the moment. This is the Revlon, I guess I would call it a volumizing brush. I've been digging it, y'all. I've been using it, trying to get my technique right. So basically all you want to do is just wrap the hair around, roll it up like I'm doing, make sure it's nice and firm, and then once you loosen it up, you'll get a curl. Like, this is the fastest way that I have just been curling my hair when I clearly didn't want to keep the body wave in it and just wanted just like a little, like a slight curl, nothing crazy or anything like that. But look at that curl. They come out so pretty, so soft as well, and it doesn't take any time to do it. You just got to make sure you put a little tension on it so that you can get the curl I guess you do it as tight as you want to. And then there's actual heat coming out of this, and I have mine on the highest setting, and I clearly burned myself right here, so be careful. But this is such a really good tool that I've really been loving, y'all. Definitely a good gift. I believe 𝐂𝐃𝐄 has one like this, but it's like $150, and this one from Amazon is like under $50. So $150, under $50, you do the math. The hair took the heat very well. It took the curl well. Also, I could have put an actual curler in it to hold the curl a little bit more, but I didn't really want to. I think I just wanted a very casual, easy look. And yeah, everything was lining up, so I was happy. And this is my outfit, you guys. I got all this from Amazon. And y'all, if this doesn't say I'm ready for Christmas, I don't know what to tell y'all, because look at this red and green. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. This is the little outfit that I put together. I actually got everything I'm wearing is actually from Amazon, which was not my intention. But y'all, when it comes to Amazon loungewear, like sweatpants, loungewear stuff, casual things, I can't get enough. Hair came out really cute, so I actually ended up cutting off an inch or so, just on the ends, just taking those ends off. They weren't working with me, so they had to go. And then cutting up like the hair a little bit, just putting a few layers, especially around the face. I'm just, unless I'm doing like bone straight hair, I just can't get down with the like only one length. You know what I mean? I need a little bit of face framing. I just have on these plain white shoes that I got from Amazon, and of course my little cargo pants. I really never know what to do like with the waist, like with the sweatshirt, because this sweatshirt is oversized, and honestly I would just like wear like this, something along those lines, just very cute, comfy, because I'm just running out. So yeah, guys, this is a final look. What I envisioned definitely came to life. I wanted something very cute but very relaxed as well. So let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, all that great stuff. I will put all the information about everything that's happening today, from this unit from QVR to the clothes from Amazon. I will put the links down there as well, and of course the makeup that I used. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little different for you, and I hope to do more of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.